Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make laundry soap. The three ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe is 1. Distilled water. You can also use water like bottled water or normal water if you don't have any possibility to get distilled water. 2. Sodium hydroxide or lye. You can find this in a drugstore in the cleaning department. And 3. Coconut oil, just the regular one you find in the store. Optional, if you want to use some fragrance, you could use an essential oil like lavender as an example, or any type of essential oil. So first thing you want to do is to suit up for safety. You need gloves, you need safety goggles and a scale. So first thing is we are going to measure out for this little soap that we are doing today. It's a half a kilo soap. We're gonna use, it's a very little amount, it's 128 grams of water. Too much. All right. Into the water we are putting 57 grams of lye. So if you don't feel confident to pour it directly into your water, you can measure it out separately, and I would recommend that. I'm used to it, so I'm gonna do it directly into the water. Here we go. And we're gonna stir it. Make sure that the lye dissolves. You want to make sure the lye is completely dissolved before you move on to the next ingredient. This is gonna get it completely clear, like water, but you need to put it aside because you don't want to touch this, or you don't want to like knock it over. Yeah. Good. So next ingredient is coconut oil, and that's the only oil we're gonna use for this soap is coconut oil. So in another container you want to measure out 320 grams of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a very special property. It's very cleansing, and you can make also soap like regular hand soap, but if you do, make sure you are super fatting it at least 30%, because coconut oil has the tendency to dry out the skin if you are using it without any other oil to how can I say, to complement it. Alright, so that's the amount we need for coconut oil. Now, as you can see, this coconut oil is solid at room temperature. It means it needs to go in a microwave or in a double boiler. I prefer the double boiler, that's what I'm using. I feel I can control the heat better. So I'm going to transfer this to a double boiler and be right back with you. Here you can see the coconut oil melting. It has a very low melting point, so it goes rather fast. Doesn't take too much. When if it's hot outside, you might even have it already in liquid form if it gets very hot in summer. But yeah, there's still a little bit to go, but it will not take too much. The coconut oil has been melted completely, and this is how it looks like when it's liquid. So we have our oil amount and we have our lye amount. Now we need to combine these two liquids to make an emulsion, and this emulsion is gonna process and become soap. That's basically what soap is. So very important is that we pour always the lye water into the oils and never the other way around. We are going to use this silicone mold. Silicone is very easy if you want to unmold soap. I mean, for this particular kind of soap you could use any container you have. It shouldn't be aluminum, a Tupperware or something like this. I don't know if you know what I mean. Yeah, good. Okay, so let's roll with it. You have your stick blender ready here. Stick blender, then just want to make sure you can see. Now I'm gonna pour the lye water into the oil. And now you will shortly see what happens. I'm gonna go in with the stick blender and I'm gonna mix. So you want to mix until you can see that it has some little trails when you move it. We're going to give it a little more blending here. That's good enough. And now we're gonna pour into our mold. Can you see that it's getting to a light pudding consistency while I'm pouring? I'll scrape the pitcher. making sure that everything is in, because we don't want to waste these very good ingredients. All right, give it a little tap, and then we move it to the side and we wait, I'd say a couple of hours, and it will be ready to unmold and use, for that matter. All right, so it's the next day, and as you can see, the soap has hardened. It is rock hard. You don't have to wait for a whole day, like a couple of hours is enough. So I'm gonna take it out of the silicone mold. This is a brambleberry mold. I will link it down below. And voila, you have your wonderful finished laundry soap. It's completely natural, 3 ingredients only. Take a cheese grater and you can grate it and then take the quantity you want for your laundry. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day and stay well.